Hello everyone, this is Sean Farmer here and I'm back with another tutorial. Now this tutorial is pretty much to show you all the effects you can do using Filter. Now what I did already was created a new folder and made the background black. And what you can pretty much do a lot of stuff with Filter, and I'm going to be showing you just some of them all. Artistic, you can pretty much just make stuff like neon glow and stuff. I don't have anything to do that with, but it goes along with pretty much your like styles and all that other stuff. So I get into that a little further on. Now what we can do first is let's go ahead and show you some renders. Now with renders you can make some clouds, which uses the base colors you have to make a cool little color. Then default difference clouds, which inverts your your default colors. You have your fibers. You have your lens flares, which gives off a pretty cool like lens flare type thing, like what a camera would do or something. Like, just go ahead and do that. Click OK. There we go. We had that cool little effect right there. It's pretty cool. And we can also render in some clouds. There we go, which you see deletes the render over it because clouds take up everything and pretty much covers over everything unless you have it separate. We can add that onto the clouds or simply Control J to create a new file or copy that file. And moving on, let's go ahead and distort it and let's make it wavy. So by doing that, we can hit randomize a couple times and click OK, and it pretty much just waves that cloud, which gives it another look. And you can do this with any type of thing if you have not noticed. We can also sharpen it. We can sharpen the edges. We can just pretty much enhance it. I don't know if you can tell with the YouTube, but it does a little bit, not too much. But with Sketch here, we can like chrome everything and give it a pretty much cool thing. And this is what Artistic does as well, is like neon and all this. Everything has something different. Plastic wrap. It all does just different types of looks, and each thing, like I said, does something different. That's pretty cool. I'm going to use the chrome, I guess, and click OK. And we can now blur stuff. Let's do the radial blur, which if we click, just move it up a little bit, you can just pretty much see the blurriness, and it does it in a spiral type of effect. Texture pretty much goes with sketch and stylize, all do pretty much the same thing. Noise pretty much gives it that grainy effect. You can do amount of noise, pretty much just grain it up, and depending on how much you want, I'm gonna just do 2, which still does a lot. And other pretty much offsets and stuff, and change the radius and make it all pixelated and all that other stuff. Kind of keep it like that, I guess. And fibers, go ahead and click OK to that, which gives it kind of a scratchy type of look. And you can pretty much experiment with all this, and once you have a little aspect to all this, it pretty much becomes easy in doing multiple stuff. And each thing does something different and looks cool all the same, and depending on what you're doing. Filter is one of the most used things in Photoshop. Hope you enjoyed another basic tutorial on Photoshop. Once again, I'm Sean Farmer. I come on with videos every week for tutorials on Photoshop. Till next time, guys, have a good day.